verbal hygiene and gender. This is first module on this topic. There is difference in style rules and non-sexist rules. In the previous modules, we have been talking about style rules, which are given in style guides and style manuals. So we here see that the style rules and the non-sexist rules, they are different in one aspect. Both are rules, but there is such a difference. Style rules are received generation after generation. Grammarians forward them to following generations. We never question those rules. What is their source? We never ask. So they go on. This tradition is maintained by grammars and dictionaries. Okay. Sexism, the language should not show any kind of bias against any gender. This is called sexism. Sexism rules are innovative. They are not received. They are externally introduced. They are introduced by feminists. They are set by feminists who are not as powerful as grammars and dictionaries. Their rules can be violated. The feminists have to take pains to convince gatekeepers to consider their rules. Gatekeepers means the dictionaries, the lexicographers who compile dictionaries, and grammars and grammarians. They are gatekeepers of rules. But such kind of power is not possessed by feminists who compile sexist rules. Non-sexist rules are political and often debatable. That language should not have any kind of sex bias. So this is called sexism. These rules are called non-sexist rules. They are free from any kind of gender preference or bias. So these rules by nature are political and often controversial, debatable. These rules show resistance. Style rules show tradition. Here lies the difference. We take these rules, we see them interacting with each other. Both are found in rules, in set of rules. We find them together. It results in language change. We have grammar rules which are traditionally received by us, and we have innovative sexist rules. We put them side by side, grammatical rules, and this is how innovation is introduced, change is introduced in the set of rules. But whether this change in language occurs or not will be decided by editors, universities, channel owners, business companies. They can never violate grammatical traditional rules. But as we said, these sexist rules, they are set by feminists. They are politically motivated rules. They don't enjoy that kind of status. So it is up to the universities, up to the institutions, whether they follow them or not. In other words, gender-free language is not as binding as traditional style rules are.